Hello, a very good morning. I'm Dr. Jyoti, reproductive medicine specialist, leading team 49. I'm going to talk about the major important issues about can we start fertility practice. This is one of the question which most of our couples who are having issues to conceive ask us. Since we all know, because of the COVID, we had a lockdown for almost 2 months. We had stopped the fertility practice for these 2 months, but then this COVID is going to be with us for more 2-3 more months until we get vaccines. Should we stop everything? No, definitely we can start our practice. That is what the American and European guidelines have told us. So when this COVID started, we follow this American Society guidelines, which the first update was on 30th of March, which guided us and told us that we should not go and do fertility practice. So we all stopped for 1 month, and then what happened was the mental status of these couples without kids was increasing. They were landing up in social stigma, depression. So then, taking into so many things into consideration, and also knowing that COVID is a part of our life for further 2-3 more months. So how to deal with this? With this, European Society and American Society together came up and released recommendations. They told us that we can take some precautions and start our fertility practices. So abiding to all the recommendations, we have started our practice, but then we need to have some conditions with us. First thing, as hospital, we as patient comes, we need to take some safety measures, like seeing the temperature of the couple, whether they have any issues, any temperature, and then also couples will be given some form where they need to fill. In this form, there are certain conditions like the symptoms of COVID, where we can find out if the patient has any history of traveling from abroad, or if they have any fever or any cold, so that we will understand what we are dealing with. And then accordingly we will triage the patient, whether they need the scan or simple methods like tablets or IUI, or couples need IVF. We will triage that. And then hospital will also take due precautions about sanitation, like cleaning the hospital and maintaining a good facility, so that safety is given the utmost priority. And then of course sanitizer will be kept at the opening of the hospital itself. So each couple, before they come into the hospital, they have to wash their hand, they have to sanitize and then drop into the hospital. And social distance definitely will be maintained according to all the norms. And this is about hospital. And next, couples also need to follow some kind of recommendations before they come to the hospital. That is, couples with health issues, please be careful. This is not the right time. They have to take care of their health, and especially if they have symptoms like fever, cold, cough, sore throats, please, this is not the time. Once your health issues are cleared, then you can come and take the service. Third thing is, you need at home, you need to have healthy food practices, like eating food which gives you more immunity and drinking lot of water. And fourth is, even at home or wherever you are there, you need to wash hands often. And fifth, definitely please use mask when you are coming to the hospital. If you don't have the surgical mask, at least some cloth you can use, some kerchiefs you can use. This will definitely prevent the transmission. And then most importantly is, when you come, please don't get group of people. Don't try and avoid relatives, because you are putting even them in a risky zone. Only husband and a wife is good enough if they come and take the services. And then importantly, better always to take an appointment, so that you don't have to come and waste your time here. You can take an appointment, fix an appointment with the doctor, and everything will fall in place as usual. So telling all this, keeping all these precautions in mind, definitely we from 49 want to do best to the couples who are suffering without a kid. So let's hope for the best, and let's take all the safety precaution and regain our practice. And definitely, as a last word, I wish and pray all of you, your families, your friends, the country, the whole world comes out of this situation of COVID as early as possible. Thank you so much.